everyone. In today's video, we are diving into how to use add-ons on Streamio. Plus, I will show you the best add-ons for an incredible streaming experience. First, if you don't already have Streamio installed, head over to their official website, download the app for your device, and install it. Once installed, sign up or log in with your Streamio account. After logging in, tap on the add-on tabs located at the top of your screen. This is where you will find all the available add-ons for streaming content from various sources. Browse through the add-ons library or use the search bar to find specific add-ons. Tap on the add-on you want, then click install. Some top picks include the Pirate Bay add-on, a must-have for movie buffs, RAR BG add-on, it is great for TV shows, and Open Subtitles add-on. It will automatically fetch subtitles for your shows and movies. Once installed, head back to the Streamio homepage and start searching for movies or shows. The installed add-ons will automatically fetch the best sources for you to stream. And there you have it. That is how to use add-ons on Streamio and some of the best ones to get started. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.